Good afternoon. Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes. Welcome back on Sunday. Yes, it's actually Sunday today. Sunday, June the 11th, 2023. I've told you earlier in the yesterday's edition on Saturday, June the 10th, 2023. We have no extra puzzles for the Sunday. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Saturday in the puzzle page of the Saturday. There are two puzzles left. I've solved those two puzzles. I will continue with the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Yeah, the Friday edition, June the 9th, 2023. We have three puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Let me start with this one. Yeah, the letter Sudoku number. This will be number, I believe, number 6577. Yeah, 6577. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. In this case, those are not digits but letters. 27 printed letters. The letters that I can use are 9 letters, are unique letters. The T, the L, the S, the B, the U, the E, the O, the I, and the A. And the goal is to solve this word in this column. It's a Dutch word. After I've solved this, I will translate this in English. Alright, so let's get started. O in the first row, O in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in the second column, no O there. O should be there. O in the third column, O in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in this row, no O there. O should be there. O in the last row, O in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in this column, no O there. O should be there. O. O in the last column, O in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the O should be there. O in this row, O in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in this column, no O there. Here an O in the middle column, no O there. So the only place left for the O should be there. And all the O's are used. I can see letter number 1, letter O. Alright. We have L in this column, L in the column X. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the L should be here or there. We see an L in this row, no L there. L should be there. L in this row, L in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the L should be there. L. Cannot continue with L now, need to wait. How about the T? Okay. How about the B? We have a B here. The U here. T in this row. T in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the T should be there. U in the last column. U in the column next. U in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the U should be there. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is U. We have a U in this row, so no U in these 2 boxes here. U in this column, no U in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the U in this big square should be there. U in the third row, U in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the U should be there. Okay. The A is missing in the first row, and the I is missing. A and the I. AI. Artificial. Intelligent, yeah. Artificial. S is missing. And the E is missing. In this big square. SE, okay. So So we have S in this row, S in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the S should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters I is missing and the A is missing. I and A. Artificial intelligent. Okay. Artificial intelligent. One letter is missing in the third row. For the letter, the B is missing. Yeah, B in the first row, B in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the B should be there. B in the third column, B in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places left for the B should be here or there. We see a B in this row, no B there. B should be there. B, okay. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters, A is missing and I is missing. A and I. We have I in this column, no I there. I should be here. And A goes there. Alright. You. E and L. U and L. Well. TT. Need a T here. Need a T there. Need a T here. T. E. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the E and I. We have E and I in this row, so no E and I in these three boxes. The E and I goes in those two boxes as a pair. E and I. That means here I've marked those two boxes with the A and I. Well, cannot be an I anymore. This box should be the A then, and this box should be an I then. We have an E in one of those two boxes in this column, so this box cannot be an E anymore. That box should be an E, and this box should be an S. Right. So one letter is missing in this column for letter T. Yeah. Two missing letters in this big square for letters B is missing and A is missing. B and A. B-A. Barakas. From the A team, yeah. Two missing letters in this row for letters. S is missing. And U is missing. S and the U. Well, cannot fill this yet. Well, not true. We have a S in the third column. No S there. S should be here. And the U goes there. Alright, so we have a U in the first column, U in the third column, so the column between the second column and only two places left with the U should be here or there. We see a U in this row, no U there. U should be there. How about these two missing letters? S is missing here. And T is missing, S and the T. Cannot fill this yet. U. Okay, U. Need a U here. U in this column, U in that column. So the column between the middle column, only two places left for the U should be here or there. We see a U in the last row. No U there. U should be there. Need a B here. Yeah. B in this column, B in the middle column, so the column next down, need two places left for the B should be here or there. We see a B in this row, no B there. B should be there. Need S. No, S should be here. Okay. Need an A here then. Need an A, need an E, need an I. Wow. Need an E here. Come on. No L. E, L. Well, the S and the S and T, S and the T, B, A and need the E, yeah, need the E here. Come on. And, need an A here. In the last row, yeah, need an A. A, E, A. Oh, I need an A here, yeah. A there. S here. I need an S. A, S, and the T. Yeah. So the A and the I are left. A and the I. Here need an A. Okay. Ay. Come on. Need a T here. T. E. I. Means then I in this row, I in the middle row, so the row above the only two places left for the I. Could be here, could be there. That means in the middle column we need an I. These two boxes can be I because we have I in the middle row, no I there. This box can be an I because we have I in this row, so no I there. The only place left for the I in the middle column should be there. Okay. So two missing letters, the E and the A, E and A. Well, no. We have I here. I marked those two boxes earlier with the E and the I. We have an I in the last row. No I there. I should be here and the E goes there. A and the E are left. A and the E. We have an E in this row. No E there. E should be here. And the E goes there. Yeah. E in this column, E in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the E should be there. A and I, we have an A in this column, no A there. A should be here, and the I goes there. Two missing letters. For the letters, T is missing, and A is missing. T and A. T-A. Okay. I in this row, I in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for I should be there. So two missing letters in this big square. For letters, S is missing, and L is missing. S and L, we have an L in the middle row, no L there. L should be here, and the S goes there. L in this row, L in the middle row, so the row above the only two places left for L should be here or there. We see an L in this column, no L there. L should be there. And all the L's are used. I can see letter number 2, letter L. Alright, T and the A. I'm missing T and A. T-A-S, okay. T and the S. Alright, SS. How about the BA? We have an S here. S. How about the I? U. L. O. B. Need a B here. Yeah, B in this row, B in that row. So the row between the only two places left for the B. Could be here, could be there. The E in the first column, E in the second column. So the first column, only two places left for the E. Could be here, could be there. We have an E in the last last column, E in that column, so the column between, the only two places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this row, no E there. E should be there, and I've eliminated the B, so the B goes there. Yeah. Alright. T, need a S, S. So two missing letters in this column, the B and the A, B and A. We have a B in this row, no B there. B should be here, and A goes there. One letter is missing in this big square for letter A. Two missing letters for letters T and S. Here also T and S. We have a T in the first column, no T there. T should be here, and S goes there. One box left in this big square for letter S. T and A, okay. So we have a S in this column, S in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the S should be there. One box left in this column for the letter T. T and A, we have a T in this row, no T there. T should be here, and A goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters E and A are missing. We have an A in this row, no A there. A should be here, and E goes there. And the final two missing letters in this big square for letters A is missing, and T is missing. A and T. We have an A in this column, no A there. A should be here, and the T goes there. The word is absolutely. In English, absolute. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow, 16 minutes. For Letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.